Hey everyone, as you all loved my last video about Sarojini Nagar and Karol Bagh, so I thought of making one more for you like the same. Generally it has been said that Sarojini Nagar market is closed on Monday, so I thought of visiting there and wanted to see the market on Mondays, and I was just amazed by what I've seen today. So now let's jump into the video and you can see it by yourself. Each and everything was there in heaps, whether they were shoes, clothes, belts, watches, sunglasses and lots of other things. This person was selling 3 photo frames for just ₹100. They were so beautiful and stylish, of different shapes and sizes. If you can bargain, he can give you 4 for ₹100. I've seen only 3 or 4 kiosks for this crockery and other decorative pieces for home and dining tables at a very reasonable price, and whenever I go to Sarojini, I just love to visit these kiosks. Talking about home decor, there are lots of shops, kiosks and people selling bed sheets, cushion covers, table mats and these cute little soft toys were just for ₹90 for your little ones. And talking about home decors, how can we forget this gully? Here you will get some very beautiful and classic lampshades, clocks, other decorative items made of wood and marbles. These beautiful handmade jackets were just for ₹250, and also they were having cushion covers of handmade threads as well as clutches and everything. So you should visit this gully whenever you get a chance to go Sarojini, because this is really very beautiful. From home decors, now let's check some jewelries, as along with clothes the market is full of Indian jewelries as well as Western. In general days also you can get these at a low price, but on Monday I get to see them for ₹10. For jewelries, I felt it's like a heaven. I mean, from where you can get jewelries for ₹20, and look at these earrings, cuffs. These jewelries can be paired with both Western as well as Indian outfits, and they'll look stunning. Whenever I came here in this market, a minimum amount of top which I have seen or dresses were just for ₹50 or 80, but this time I have seen it for ₹10 and 20, and it was really unbelievable, but they are not worth of that also, because they are very cheap. I mean, they are even dirty and all were used, so I don't suggest any of you to buy these kinds of clothes. Did I just saw a person selling a Rado watch? And also you can see here tops, shirts, dresses, etc. from brands as well. These shorts were from Disney and it was just for ₹50. Top from Vera Moda. And these tops were from Calvin, Disney, Max, and also somewhere I have seen shirts of Woodland. They were rejected, but they were brand new. And every time whenever I come here, I get to see something new in this market. This time I discovered this place. This shop was full with denims. These shirts and jackets were just for ₹100, and there were lots of other denim dresses and dungarees, jeans inside the store. So you should definitely check it. So guys, with this video is getting a bit lengthier, so I should finish it now, otherwise it will get boring. So if you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section that which other places you want to go in Delhi, and check my other videos by clicking the links right on the screen. And subscribe to my channel, just press this icon. So we'll meet tomorrow on my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye.